welcome to our channel. In today's video, we explore stylish main door designs that will make a bold statement for your home. From contemporary elegance to classic charm, your main door is the first impression of your personal space. In this video, you'll discover over 100 plus unique main door designs that you won't find anywhere else online. These designs are exclusively designed by us. First, let's take a look at modern minimalist doors. These designs focus on clean lines, subtle textures, and often feature neutral shades like white, black, or grey. Paired with metallic handles and frameless glass panels, this style is perfect for those who appreciate simplicity and sophistication. For a more organic feel, wooden doors never go out of style. Whether it's rustic, polished, or intricately carved, wood brings warmth and timeless beauty to your entrance. Try designs that highlight the natural grain, or opt for dark walnut or mahogany finishes for a luxurious touch. If you're looking for a design that blends transparency with sturdiness, glass and metal fusion doors are an ideal choice. Frosted glass panels provide privacy, while metal accents, especially in bronze or steel, add durability and modern flair. It's an excellent option for a sleek and sophisticated entrance. To make a true statement, why not go bold with geometric patterns or intricate carvings? These doors feature unique designs that add personality to your home. Geometric shapes or asymmetrical patterns can make your entrance stand out, while carved doors give a nod to traditional craftsmanship with a modern twist. For those who love a pop of colour, statement doors are the way to go. Deep reds, navy blues, and emerald greens can elevate a simple design to a whole new level of charm. Pair these bold hues with complementary hardware for a striking contrast that draws attention. Double doors are perfect for larger homes or those looking for a grand entrance. Whether they're made of wood, metal or glass, these designs exude elegance and grandeur. Add an arched frame for an even more dramatic effect, giving your home a sense of timeless luxury. Your main door is more than just an entrance. It's a statement of your style. This design combines rich wooden textures with modern metallic accents, creating a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. For those who love contemporary aesthetics, this door stands out with its unique geometric patterns and glass inserts. The use of frosted glass offers privacy while allowing natural light to brighten up the entryway. Looking to add a pop of colour? Vibrant doors like this deep red design create a bold statement. Complement it with sleek hardware for a sophisticated yet eye-catching look. If you prefer a more traditional feel, intricately carved wooden doors bring a touch of heritage and craftsmanship to your home. Perfect for those who value elegance and timeless beauty. Minimalism at its finest. A seamless flush door in a matte grey finish offers simplicity with a touch of modern elegance. Sometimes, less is more. In today's smart homes, even the main door can be a part of your connected lifestyle. Add features like a digital lock and security camera for a design that is not only stylish but also secure. For a grand entrance, a double-door design with ornate handles creates a majestic and welcoming feel, perfect for larger homes or villas. No matter your taste, there's a main door design out there that speaks to your personal style. Remember, your entrance is the first impression of your home. Make it unforgettable. Your main door is the gateway to your home, the first impression that welcomes your guests and reflects your personal style. Today, we explore the world of stylish main door designs that bring a perfect blend of beauty and functionality. From minimalist modern doors featuring sleek metallic finishes to bold statement doors with intricate detailing, your main door can make a big impact. Contemporary designs often feature clean lines, glossy textures, and durable materials like steel and aluminum, ideal for a sleek, modern home. Looking for something timeless? Wooden doors with intricate carvings and natural finishes are always in style. Teak, mahogany, and oak bring warmth and elegance, with options ranging from rustic charm to sophisticated traditional aesthetics. These doors often feature rich grain patterns and custom designs that make them stand out. For a modern and airy look, glass doors with metal frames are a popular choice. These doors not only bring in natural light, but also create a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. Frosted or tinted glass can offer privacy without compromising on style. Your main door is more than just an entrance, it's an expression of your style. Whether you prefer sleek modern designs, warm wooden textures, or bold statement colours, there's a perfect door waiting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design inspirations.